The big dog, all 6
Okay, now let's begin. I'm gonna call all the Truckers members to come forward for their Christmas caroling. You have your hands and the hats with you? Diba? Gusto niyo pa? More? More, diba? One more? Okay, sorry. One more. Para masaya. Wait, sayaw!
Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
That's so nice. Lahat sila pagalis na sila. Now we're gonna start with the game. I'm gonna start with the kids. Kids, if you wanna play the game, can you come forward? Okay, I need the players for kids. We're gonna start with the reindeer nose. I think I need only like 8 players. 8 players. I have 1 here. Volunteer. 2, 3, 4, 5. Who else wants to join? 6, 12, 7. Okay, only 7? That's okay. So this is the game, okay? You're gonna have a bowl with pom-poms on it. Then you're gonna put your some Vaseline on your nose. Because you're gonna try to make a reindeer nose. You have to shake the pom-poms. Here, I'm gonna show you. Okay, this would be the reindeer nose, okay? So you put this in your mouth, but you have to make sure you're gonna shoot on your nose. So that's why you need the Vaseline on your nose so that it will stick. Okay? Yes, the more Vaseline you're gonna put, it's gonna be stick on your nose. So those who can do it, then you will be the winner. The prize will be given at the end of the party, okay? So one for you. One for you. Yeah, you're gonna put it at the end. The string, the ball, you're gonna put it in your mouth at the end only. Kids, line up over here so that they're gonna see how you do it, okay? You're gonna be a reindeer. Make a line. Are you ready? Everybody has? Everybody has? You have to make sure the pom-pom gonna stick on your nose. So you have to flip it. Flip until it goes on your nose. Okay? Or you could adjust the string. You could adjust the string. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Let's try. 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 No. You could adjust the string if you want. If it's too long, adjust it. But don't swallow it, huh? There! Wow, we have a winner! We have a winner! And what's your name? Zach is the winner for this game. The rest are we gonna do it still? Do the adult game. For the adult game, I need 2 teams. So you can form 5 members for each team. It could be 5 members of each team. We could do 3 or 4 teams. We're gonna have a charade. You know what a charade is? You're gonna get everything is about Christmas. Okay? So we're gonna have for each team, there should be an actor who's gonna play what's inside written on the paper. And then the team will guess what's written on the paper. So like example, if she got Rodolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, or the actor would act out. The reindeer act out, nothing to say anything, but the team could ask for the clue if it's yes or no. Only the actor could just nod, yes or no. So like for example, Rodolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So he with this, you know. So then you have to guess. Okay? So I need 2 teams of 5. 5 per team. Who wants to join? There's a prize at the end. It's a trip to the Philippines. Okay, who wants to join? 5 teams. 5 members of each team. Wala? Adults? Girls, I think you're gonna compete with the girls. Yun na lang ang ano ko. So, 5 girls here and the 5 trackers na lang. Para ano? 5-5. Okay, so account ready?
I can only imagine what it's gonna
Okay.
be Instagram.
Night! That's it! Silent night! See? See? Easy lang! Easy lang siya! Diba? Okay, one more. Let's see. Just have fun lang.
This is the Aries live streaming, and I'm going to click this to members.
Okay.
It's even better than the Facebook. It's even better than the
Yes! Making gingerbread house. So, see? Easy lang, di ba? Easy lang. Pang bata lang yan. Okay. Baka pa ang mga bata magpumisin. Okay. Isa pa. Pero, walang ano kasi. Kaya nga eh. Walang audience pa. Wow, my goodness. Busy ang lahat. Pero magaling siyang na-actor si Papa. Okay. One more and that's it. We're gonna proceed to another game for the kids too. Ready, go! Tapis? Ano ginagawa niya? Ang action niya, tingnan mo. That's right, the stockings. Hanging sacks. Hanging stockings. Hanging stockings. Okay, sige na. Thank you so much for your participation. Picture na lang daw, picture. Wow! Okay, thank you, girls. Okay, kids, another game. Okay, so we're gonna put on the music. How many? 1, 2, 4, 3, 7. What does it mean? Is there an element? Basketball? Guys, this is what you're gonna do. You're 7 contestants, so I'm gonna put only 6 candy canes. But before that, the music gonna be played on. You're gonna dance around the table. You don't stay, okay? You're gonna dance around the table and your hands is on your side. Okay, once the music stops, you have to grab the candy cane. Okay? Those who doesn't have a candy cane, you're out. You have to grab it. Take it. dance, dance. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay, now, I know. This is part of the game. One more. No. That's only a trial, okay? Only a trial, okay? So, okay, trial. Don't get upset, guys. You're gonna be the winner anyway. You're gonna have all the prizes at the end. One more. Ready, set, go.
Gangnam Style.
Is he gonna join or no? Okay, I'm gonna run.
따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에
Go. Go dance, everybody.
더워지는 여자 그런 쫙 있는 여자
Don't cry, You have the prize for everybody. Up. Alright. So this out. The candy cane will be a smash candy cane. I know, it's great. It's okay. Oh my God. This is my fault. Ready? Dance on side. Dance.
밤이 오면 심장이 터져나오는
Where the candy cane? Dance. Hands up on the table.
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일
Oh! Why there's extra? Okay, it's okay, no problem. You can still join. One more, okay, go, keep going.
강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남 스타일
Whoa! Okay. Now, the one left here are all boys. So I'm gonna take this out. Oh,
성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면
Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. There's a tie. Okay, one more. Tie. Sige, tie. It's okay.
여자 가격지
You have to grab it, ha? So that nobody knows.
여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 세상에 점잖아
Oops! There's one more here. Oh, lagi kayong tie. Okay, Zach is out. Okay, next. Zach is out.
이지만 못해 노는 사람 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 세상에 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 사람 그런 사람
Dance, everybody.
사랑스러워 그랬던
Whoa! We have two left. Okay, this will be the last round. Last round. the truckers, because this is your Christmas party. So you're gonna join no matter what. Okay? So I'm gonna have two teams. Now I'm gonna decide. The truckers, 5 players. The wives, 5 players. We're gonna do the game Caterpillar Balloons. Caterpillar Balloons. So each team, okay, each player should have a balloon wherein you go around on the chair. I'm gonna put 2 chairs here. You put the balloon at your back. Okay? The first player gonna put the balloon on your back. And then you go around on the table and then proceed to your group. And the next one in line gonna go at your back without touching the balloon. The balloon should be put always at your back. And then you walk like a because we're gonna form as a caterpillar. Teamwork yan. If the balloon falls down, you have to go back again. Okay? Gets nyo?
Hindi po. Tagalog na lang po ata.
Tagalog? Okay. Bawat player, may balloon na hawak. So, ilalagay yung balloon sa likod. Tapos, iikot sa upuan. Okay? Tapos, kukunin yung the next player of the team. Maglalakad sila, hindi hawak yung balloon, pero nakadikit ang balloon sa likod. Ang isa sa likod, ang isa sa harap. Pero yung isang balloon nasa likod rin. Okay? Iikot kayo sa upuan again hanggang matapos. Okay? Hanggang makumpleto ang 5 na iikot sa upuan. Babae, lalaki. Ay, hindi. Ano na? Ako na mag-decide. Lalaki, babae. Kasi hindi nag-join ng mga lalaki. Okay. Bawat player may isang balloon. Okay? So, first player in the team will put the balloon at the back. Sa likod nyo. Ilagay nyo sa likod nyo. Hawak-hawak nyo yung balloon. Okay? And then, you have to go around the table. Then, pupunta sa next player. Okay? Iipit yung balloon doon. Ipitin. Okay? Ipitin siya, tapos larga ulit. Hanggang matapos sa 5. Ang last na player, may balloon sa likod. Okay? Kung mahulog yung balloon, babalik. Okay? Babalik. Diba? Simple lang. Walang hawak na. Pagkano wala ng hawak, iipit na. Okay? Ang premyo, pangalan ni Santa mamaya. Kasi parang rinig ko, Spring Philippines daw yung premyo. Okay? May premyo yun, don't worry. Are you ready? Okay. Pagka na sa team nyo, let go of the balloon. Ang hawak na lang mamaya, yung sa likod. Okay? Ang likod na lang ang hawak, pero ipitin yung balloon. Pero ano po, pag-relax mo, kamay na yung kamay. Okay? Yung last, iikot pa rin. Okay? Walang hawak sa balloon, baka nakadikit na. Okay? Basta nakadikit na, wala nang hahawak. Ang hawak lang, ang likod. Ready? Nicole? Ready? Wala nang trial ha, baka may iiyak. Ready? Set, go! First player first. You cannot go! You cannot go! Hindi ka lalagyan. Malakas, malakas!
Bakit ang init? Di na lang nagkakakala dahil sa pagtitiwala. Akala ko'y langit. Bakit ang init? Huli na daw ang pagsisisi. May umaga naman pagkatapos ng gabi. Thank you.
Okay, birthday celebrants, ang tatlong pogi. Kailan yung birthday mo po, kuya? Number 14? Ngayon! Wow, ngayon si kuya! Happy birthday! November 28. So, ngayon na yung ano. Happy birthday. Related happy birthday. Advance happy birthday. And happy birthday today. Ano na lang, ang cake, ano na lang para sa acting nyo na. Wala tayo, another birthday celebrant. Kahapon, si Ashley. Ma'am Ashley, come join for the birthday celebrant. Happy birthday! Bravo, Ashley. Marami pa lang birthday celebrant ngayon. So at least, mag-celebration.
We're gonna sing happy birthday to the celebrants.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Ano po wish niyo? Ano po wish niyo?
Good health.
We wish you all the best for your birthday. Long life. And then, since we have the birthday celebrant, we have also someone here who's gonna get married. So for a new life, new families, and we may call on June Mandulian. Round of applause. Congratulations for your upcoming wedding. Guys, ano masasabi niyo sa advice na bibigay niyo sa ano dito naman pakasal?
Sa first wife.
Welcome to married life soon, my friend. Advice naman sa'yo, huwag kang magpapamber. Kailangan yung bandila mo ay itaas mo. Enjoy, my friend. Happy wedding soon.
Ay 10 taon na yun. So, bilang ko siya noon. Baka siya, dating na rin yung araw. Ilang taon ka na, 31 ka na, no? Late na nga eh. Late na eh. Lahat, bunsin agad. Huwag nang panahin. So, all the best, man, sa Pilipinas. Wala na yung ibang nasasabi. Nasa iyo na lahat.
Alright, rock and roll, man.
Good luck. Enjoyin mo lang. Habang single ka. Congrats sa first wife.
Boy, congrats. What did you? Alright, man. Good luck and Dalton. Sobre na maging yung journey mo. Diretso, man. Alright.
Lord, happy birthday. Handa mo na sarili mo. Dude, wish you all the best, man.
Congratulations, Idol. Magparami kayo. Alright. Good luck. All the best. Idol.
Thank you so much. So don't forget, ang mga regalo niyo para sa wedding, okay? Anyway, makita-kita naman kayo doon sa Pilipinas, di ba? They are invited over. So, get ready yung ano ha. Yung mga regalo, okay? Thank you so much and congratulations. Okay, kids. We're gonna have another game for you guys, and then we'll do the exchange gifts. Okay? So because some kids are still requesting me more games, Tita. When is the game gonna start again? You know, kids love the game. So Okay, come forward, kids. So, you have to guess what I'm asking you, okay? All the Christmas stuff. You're gonna use your intelligence, okay? We're gonna do the game, What Am I? Okay, I'm gonna describe the thing, and then you're gonna guess what it is. Okay? Number one. Okay, let's see how smart you are. Okay, you're gonna guess the item, okay? Are you listening? Ready? You can scream if you want. If you know the answer, just scream, okay? I'm cold. I'm white. And I fall from the sky. Snow what? Snowflakes. Very good. Good job, Zach. Okay. You know that it's falling in the sky. I'm green. I'm tall. And I hold the lights. What am I? Very good. Oh, mga bright mga batang to. Next. I jingle and ring. What am I? Bell. Very good. Christmas bell. What para kayo nila lahat? I'm soft. I hang by the fire. And I hold treats. What am I? Dog? No. You put it on the socks or stockings. Very good. I'm big, red, and carry all the toys. The thing that carries the toys. Very good, sleigh. Santa Claus will be the one to give the gifts. That is a sleigh. Next, I shine bright on the tree. What am I? Very good, star. Oh, ang mga bright. Parents, be proud of your kids. I fly in the sky and put the sleigh. What am I? Reindeer. The one who flies the sleigh. Okay? I'm red and white and you can eat me. Not gingerbread. Red and white. What did you play before?
Candy cane.
Very good. I'm round, I'm white, and I wear a hat. No, I'm round, I'm white, and I wear a hat. You could see him outside. Very good. Okay, kids, all of you are winners, right? Good job. Okay, one more game? Yeah? One more game. Two or four. Okay, you have a team of four. Kayo grupo kayo, grupo. Kayo grupo rin kayo. You go here in this group. Okay, you know the relay, but we're gonna do ornament relay. Ornament relay. Wherein you're gonna have, each one of you have a spoon. But each team should pass the ornaments. Like passing it through the spoon. Okay? Using your spoon. While you pass them your ornaments. Okay? You make a line over there. Go behind the line. Please for the 4 players for each team.
Ready, kids? Okay. Make sure it's stable. It goes around. You go around. Then pass the ornaments to your team. Ready? The classic entry.
Okay. Ready? Nope. You fell down. Don't be nervous.
You guys can hear me now?
Okay. Are you ready? Set, go! If it drops, pick it up and put it back. You can do slowly until you reach. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, it drops again. Pick it up and go back to the line. Okay, good. Next. Good. When it stops, pick it up and go. When it drops, keep going. Make your spoon straight so that it won't fall. There. Good. Good. Bravo. Good job. Yeah, good. Up. Pick it up. It's okay. Pick it up and put it in.
Straight na spoon.
Pass. Zach, you're the last person, right? Who's the last on the team? Up. Okay. This team wins. It's okay. You can still go. It's okay. All of you guys are winner. Don't worry. You have all the prizes. Yay! Good job. That's it. Okay na? Okay na. You're very good kids. You did it well. So, more practice next time. Okay? Thank you so much, kids. Those who participate for exchange gifts, come forward. We're gonna take a number. Okay, Grace gonna... Okay, those who participate for exchange gifts, can you come forward and pick your number here? Okay, everybody got the number? Okay, I'm gonna start. Who got the number 1? Number 1 is over here. Make sure it's not your gift. If it's your gift, we can exchange it to somebody else. Okay. Ang laki. So the exchange gift is worth $50 per family. Okay, that sounds good. I'm sorry. Okay, who got the number 2? Number 2.
Bigat-bigat natin ah.
Number 2. Okay, so here's number 2 over there. Is that your gift? No, okay, good. Okay. Be careful, baka mabasag ah. Okay, who got the number 3? Number 3 is over here. Is that your gift? Okay. Be careful, be careful. Okay. Who got number 4? Number 4 is right here. There, I think I'm gonna take a picture with the photographer. Number 4. Bigat? Bigat? Number 4. Number 5. Who got number 5? Okay, can you carry that one? This one, 5. Can you carry it? Be careful here. Number 5. Okay, the number 6 and 9, they are not sure of the number. Because there's no, it could be 6, it could be 9. We didn't put a thing. Okay, so that would be number 6. Okay, 6 is here. That's your gift? Okay, kuya. Kasi yung 6 and 9, ano? So, ayun na lang yung sa'yo, kuya. Number 6. Number 7. So, is that your number 9? 7 is... right here. 7. Number 8. You got the big one. Ooh, careful, Bryn. Number 8. Zach is your number 9. And here, Zach, this is this is the front. Is that your gift or no? Is your gift? No, I know. No, okay, good. Number 10, last number. 10. Good. We'll see. Would you like to open your gift? Okay, you can unwrap your gifts and see what you got. Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. And now Santa is here. Santa, sana yung Santa is here, kids. Give a round of applause to Santa. Okay, Santa is here. So guys, ano ikakantakin niyo para kay Santa Claus? Hmm? Do you have a song for Santa? Okay, Santa Claus. Hindi ba traffic ang Licari? It's not traffic. So Santa Claus is from the North Pole, kids. Okay? Nandito na siya. And the sleigh and the reindeer was outside. Ah, Kambing. Okay. Kumaya si Santa. Grace, I need your help and for the gifts of the kids. Grace, because some of the gifts here, I don't know, it's all for the kids, but do you have a special names for wala? Okay, we'll just pass it on. Okay, just pass it on. Santa, you know the names of the kids. Do you have the list? Do you have the list? Nawawala ang listahan ni Santa. Okay, I think Santa knows best. So you know all the kids, right?
Marunong palang mag-Tagalog si Santa.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Can you sing this song? Santa Claus is coming to town.
Okay, Jingle Bells. You know Jingle Bells? Sing a song. Jingle Bells.
Everybody sing. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, Santa, just give to the kids.
Oh, Francis? Okay. Gabriel, for Gabriel. Gabriel. Zach. Come forward, Santa. Hindi dapat Mahot si Santa. Okay, Santa is tired. Get up and get your gifts.
What's your name?
Bakit na po tayo?
You don't know me, I don't know.
Sa kalabo.
Dito sa amin. Gia. Ashley. Bisa mo oh. Marisa. Merry Christmas! Ho, ho!
Okay, kids, can you get up and go around with Santa?
Ayos ang manager ni Santa Claus, oh.
Yun! Nakasama natin dyan! Tatas daw siya. Ang galing yung diyan.
Santa Claus! Shout!
Sino yung mga nanalo yung kids?
Santa Claus, tagay mo na! Santa Claus, tagay mo na!
Ashley!
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Santa. You're still going to another place? Okay, goodbye, Santa!
I have more! Merry Christmas! Okay.
Tumawa ka naman, Santa! Tumawa ka naman!
Santa, ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Huwag mo rin naman yung pagkakas, ha?
Okay.
Santa Claus!
Angel. Yan. Parang Jerry. Yan, kalis namin. Si Charles. Ang bago namin na kasama sa grupo namin na Night Runners. Kay Dude. Dude. Diyan ka pala. So, gaya ng dati, mahirap magkaroon ng sahig. Wala na akong ibang maraming sasabihin pa kundi salamat sa inyong lahat. Lalo na sa mga pamilya natin. Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and sana maulit pa to ng maraming beses kasi itong birthday celebration, itong party na to, ginawa namin to mga September. So pinalo namin every time na sasahod kami gaano kami ng kunting pera. At ang tigagulit na namin ay si Jun at si Manang Jerry. Salamat sa inyong dalawa. Lahat ng ito ay pinag-usapan namin lahat every time na nag-usap kami sa telepono everyday. Sorry sa mga asawa namin minsan, hindi namin kayo natatawagan dahil pag nag-start kami ng alauna, alas 2 na madaling araw, siyempre mating natawag na. Wala kaming ibang pinag-uusapan kundi paulit-ulit lang. Yun lang naman. Ano ba? Walang sawang pasasalamat, yun lang naman ang umaga ko. Merry Christmas talaga. Sana ulitin pa natin ito na hindi lang ngayon o sa susunod na taon, sana lagi at maraming beses pa. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Enjoy natin yung party at sana lain na rin. Mabuhay tayo lahat. Magsawa tayo. Hanggang kaya natin. Okay, rock and roll. Sana yung sasabihin. Come! Merry Christmas! Salamat po. Sa grupo namin pala na to na Barangay Trackers, ang isang nagsimula, yung tinatawag na kapitano si Israel. Okay? Yan, dati nagtatrabaho kami lahat sa warehouse. Si Kuya Tony, isa na rin si Kuya Tony. Manong Brian, Manong Roland, Kuya Mods, sila nakikita lang namin dati pag tinatawag kami sa mga inuman, si Kuya Tony lalo, si Boy, sila yung truck-driver sila. Then, si Mike man, bagong-bago ako dito sa Canada. Ikaw, unang nagpainom ng double black, kasama si Kuya Tony. Yun ang namin din. Sa trabaho naman namin, nagsimula kami si Maring Jerry. Dadalawa kami. Itong mga kasama namin, nung nakakuha sila ng mga lisensya na, unti-unti po silang hinila isa-isa. Hanggang ganito na rin. At yung mga parang nagano sa amin na kumuha ng mga lisensya, hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin sila na nag-advise at laging nagano sa amin. Yun lang naman. Kaya at sa asawa namin, yun lang sasabihin ko, wala kaming ibang tinatawagan kundi kami lang, lagi araw-araw. Wala kaming ibang pinag-usapan kundi delivery, saan napunta, kasi iba-iba kami ng pinupuntahan. Yun ang totoo. Minsan may nagsasabi, hindi ako makakasama kasi maglalaba ako eh. Ganon, ako grocery. Ganon lang yung naman. Minsan may umuwi ng maaga, may umuwi ng late. Usually, nag-start kami ng madaling araw para sa inyo,
At sa mga anak namin, gano'n lang yun.
Possible to possible.
Kaya minsan, huwag kayo magtaka yung mga session namin umabot ng 14-16 hours na usapan. At hindi namin alam kung... Salamat sa inyo guys, ha? Salamat. Salamat sa punta. Wala kaming puro salamat.